The KSK team is on a work from home arrangement. Sarado po ang ating opisina sa Shaw Boulevard, Pasig. Work schedule po ng KSK team ay pareho pa rin, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Manila time. They continue to fulfill their duties and responsibilities bilang mga empleyado ng KSK SMP Co-op. Maaari kayong mag-email, syempre, sa info@kskcoop.com. Ang KSK SMP Co-op text hotlines ay open 24/7. The text hotlines are 0917-853-7333 at 0919-999-0906. Take note though, the text hotlines are for sending or receiving text messages only. Hindi po siya natatawagan at walang sumasagot sa tawag. The best way to communicate, kung gusto nyo ng mas maraming detalye o mahaba, is still via email. info@kskcoop.com. Okay? So for our admin-related reminders, because of the Enhanced Community Quarantine or ECQ, all issued checks by KSK SMP Co-op to suppliers, providers, and even checks issued to individual members are suspended. Hindi po napondohan ang mga cheque na ito. Kasama na rin po ang mga dapat nagawa ng cheque mula noong March 15, 2020 up to present until the duration of the ECQ. For now, ang ECQ ay hanggang April 30, 2020. Hindi po magagawan or hindi makakagawa ng cheque dahil ang mga ito ay nasa ating opisina sa Shaw Boulevard, Pasig City, na kasalukuyan nakasara dahil nga sa ECQ o sa Enhanced Community Quarantine na pinapatupad sa buong Luzon at iba din parte ng Pilipinas. Kasama dun sa mga cheque, official receipts, share certificates, and other physical documents or hard copies na dapat manggaling sa KSK SMP Co-op ay hindi mabibigay habang naka-ECQ. This is the reason all Co-op members are required to download for free the management app. Through this app, money transactions to and from KSK SMP Co-op, to and from the individual members ay magagawa ng madali, secure, and properly recorded. So miski na walang physical OR, meron naman kayong naka-archive at naka-record doon sa app sa inyo at sa KSK SMP Co-op. Ang management app ay parang GCash or Paymaya. But we can say that management app is much, much better than these two because of the many additional features management app has compared to GCash of Globe or Paymaya of Smart. So please download the management app. It is available both in smartphones running in Android and in iOS for iPhones. If you will need assistance in downloading and creating an account in management app, there are numerous ways to get in touch with management app people themselves. So they are more than willing to assist you. Once you have downloaded and have an account with management app at gusto nyo ng makipagtransaksyon sa KSK SMP Co-op, kung kailangan nyo ng assistance, maaaring mag-email siyempre sa info@kskcoop.com para kayo ay magabayan sa mga transaksyon para sa KSK Co-op sa management app. With 1,600 plus members, we now have 164 members who have downloaded the management app. They have an account ready and able to have money transactions to and from KSK SMP Co-op. Okay, so please download the management app. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic resulting to lockdowns or ECQs, enhanced community quarantine, we would like to repeat anew our announcement of the availability of an emergency loan facility or bridge financing exclusive for KSK SMP Co-op members. Loan application process should not take long, and our benchmark to follow is 5 working days from time of application. If qualified and approved, loan proceeds will be released. Take note, loan proceeds are to be released only through or via the management app. Okay? Malinaw po yun, ha? At nakikita nyo dyan sa screen. KSK SMP Co-op po has allocated and has available funds for this emergency loan or bridge financing facility. Though, hindi po unlimited yung funds na available natin. To be very straight, 4 to 5 million pesos. Okay? To give you an idea, ang utang na 10,000 pesos, halimbawa, ay maaaring bayaran sa loob ng 12 buwan na ang amortization ay 1,000 pesos a month in 12 months. Kung 30,000 pesos ang utangin at qualified and approved ang inyong loan, ang monthly amortization nito ay 3,000 a month sa 30,000 loan. 3,000 a month in 12 months. Ang interest po natin ay 20% per annum. Okay? So muli, mag-email sa inyong KSK SMP Co-op kung nais nyo mag-apply sa emergency loan or bridge financing na inaalok ng KSK SMP Co-op exclusive para sa mga members nito. Ang proseso ay hindi dapat tumagal ng 1 linggo para take note, para maipasok ang loan proceeds sa inyong wallet sa management app. Okay? Now, for members na may kasalukuyang utang na dapat bayaran sa KSK SMP Co-op, because of the new law, ang Bayanihan to Heal as One Act, the loan payments by member borrower are suspended. Suspension of loan payments ay habang naka-enhanced community quarantine. Ang may utang ay hindi papatawan ng penalty charges or dagdag na bayarin sa hindi pagbayad ng utang kung meron man dapat bayaran mula March 15, 2020 hanggang April 30, 2020. Ang susunod na bayad noong may current loan sa KSK Co-op ay sa buwan na ng Mayo, kung pagdating ng panahon na iyon, April 30, ay tuluyan ng lifted o tapos na ang enhanced community quarantine. Take note, hindi po waive ang pagbayad sa utang. Ito po ay suspended lamang, meaning kailangan pa rin pong bayaran. Okay? Dali lang po nagkakaroon ako ng technical problem. Sana okay ang audio natin, wala kayo na mimintis. Moving forward. More reminders. There is a survey being conducted by the Member Affairs Group of KSK SMP Co-op. 3 simple questions to answer. Ayan, nakikita nyo po sa screen. Number 1, may bank account po ba kayo dito sa Pilipinas? Sasagutin nyo lang po yan ng yes or no. Number 2, question, kayo po ba ay nakakapag-online banking sa inyong bank account? Yes or no din ang simpleng sagot. Kung no ang sagot nyo dun sa unang question, number 1, hindi nyo na masasagot tong question number 2 dahil wala naman kayong bank account. Number 3, napakasimpleng tanong, ano ang gamit nyo na cellphone? Android or iPhone? Okay? Nakikiusap po kami. Pakisagutan po ang survey ng Member Affairs Group ng KSK. 3 tanong lamang po ito. Sagutin nyo po ang mga tanong, ang survey, sa pamamagitan ng pag-email sa info@kskcoop.com. Hindi po sa comment sa Facebook or ano pa mang ibang paraan. Kailangan sagutan ang survey via email. Ang mga nakasagot na po, hindi na kailangan sumagot muli. Sinasabihan lang po namin yung mga hindi pa sagot sa survey. Mula nung isang linggo, tumaas na rin ang bilang ng mga nakasagot sa survey, 254 na ang mga members natin na nakasagot sa survey. Pero 1,600 plus po ang members natin. So a little over 10% lang ang nakakasagot pa. Please, para maganda po ang survey natin, kailangan natin at least 50% of our 1,600 plus members makasagot sa survey. Ha? Please, pakisagot po yung survey. Isa sa pinaka-importante na paalala at dapat gawin lahat ng mga co-op members, KSK SMP co-op members, itong paalala natin. It is a must to update the following details with your KSK SMP co-op. Napakahalaga po na ang inyong kasalukuyan at regular na ginagamit na email address, cellphone number ang pinapaalam nyo sa KSK SMP Co-op. Para makasigurado, nakikiusap po kami muli that you email KSK SMP Co-op to give your current email address, your birth date, cellphone number, and your current location. Complete mailing or residential address maibigay nyo, mas maganda, mas mabuti. Kaya please, update your details, contact details with your KSK SMP Co-op. Please.